Solving real-life problems for the topic sets, real number system, exponents and polynomials, equations and inequalities. By the way, in this video, you will learn and be tested how far are your knowledge about these topics. So first, we have sets. In a group of 60 people, 27 like cold drinks and 42 like hot drinks, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. The question here is how many like both coffee and tea? To solve that problem, we must let A be the set of people who like cold drinks, and we must let B be the set of people who like hot drinks. So the value of A is equal to 27 and B is equal to 42. Then all in all is equal to 60. To find the cardinal A intersect B is equal to cardinal A plus cardinal B subtract by cardinal A union B. So 27 plus 42 is equal to 69. Subtract by 60 is equal to 9. Therefore, 9 people like both tea and coffee. So proceed to the real number system. Real numbers that includes rational numbers and irrational numbers. And within rational numbers, we have the integer and natural numbers. So in this slide here, kindly pause the video, then take some notes, and if you want furthermore explanations, just click the link provided below. Just always remember that every natural number is also a whole number. Every whole number is an integer, and every integer is a rational number, and every rational number is real numbers. So real numbers are whether rational or irrational numbers. So we can determine that it is real number when rational or irrational number may be expressed as a fraction and be expressed by infinite decimal representation. So we must practice problems how to classify real numbers. So just tell me if it's true or false. So every whole number is a natural number. So the answer is false, since the set of whole numbers include all natural or counting numbers are the number 0. So since 0 is a whole number, it is not a natural number. That is not a natural number. Therefore, the statement is false. So example 2, all integers are whole numbers. The number -1 is an integer that is not a whole number. So the statement is false. Example 3. The number 0 is a rational number. So the number 0 can be written as a ratio of two integers. Thus, it is indeed a rational number. So the statement is true. So let's proceed to the exponents and polynomials. So in this slide here also, just kindly pause the video, then click the link provided below if you want furthermore explanation. So let's proceed to the example problem. A firework is launched from a platform 6 feet above the ground at a speed of 200 feet per second. The firework has 5-second fuse. The height of the firework in feet is given by the polynomial, where t is the time in seconds, and the question is, how high will the firework be when it explodes? So the hint here is we must substitute the time or t to find the fireworks height. So this is what it looks like. So the t is equal to 5 since the time is equal to 5 seconds. And the polynomial equation is negative 16t squared, then substitute the t to 5, then 200t plus 6 and substitute the t 5. So negative 16 times 5 squared or 25 is equal to negative 400 plus 200 times 5 is equal to 1000 plus 6, then positive 6 feet. So proceed to the equation. So we have two cars are 500 miles apart and moving directly towards each other. One car is moving at a speed of 100 meter per hour and the other is moving at 70 meter per hour. Assuming that the cars start moving at the same time, how long does it take for the two cars to meet? To solve this problem, using the standard formula, we know that the distance a car travels is the rate of the car times the time traveled by the car. So car A travels 100 meter per hour for hours and the car B travels at 70 meter per hour as well. So solving the equation, they have the same variables, which is t. So 100t plus 70t is equal to 170t equals 500. Divide both sides by 170t to cancel out, and the t will remain. So 500 over 170 is equal to 2.94 hours before the 2 hours to meet. So we have inequalities. We have here an example. Giloy and Kicker play the Mobile Legend tournament team. So last Saturday, Kicker scored 3 more kills than Giloy, but together they scored less than 9 kills. What are the possible number of kills Kicker scored? So what are the possible number kills Kicker scored? So from the word less than 9, so 3x negative 9 less than 9, then transpose 3x less than 9 plus 9, since negative, if we transpose, becomes positive. Then 3x less than 18 over p is divide both sides by 3 to cancel out 3, x will remain. 8 divided 3 is equal to 6. So x less than 6, since it is less than, the possible number of goals Kicker scored can be 4 or 5.